Hello moms gang, I hope you all are doing good. Today we're gonna cook utterly butterly delicious paneer butter masala with my mom's recipe. So let's get started guys. Here are the list of ingredients. I'm using Amul's unsalted butter, which is utterly butterly delicious, but you can use any kind of butter which is unsalted. Now in a medium hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and add 200 grams of paneer. You can ignore this step if you don't want to fry, but I love paneer when it's fried. So once it's fried, just fry it on both the sides and take it into a different bowl. And now add 1 onion which we have roughly chopped. Add like 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of Amul butter. Then 3 to 4 cloves. 1 to 2 bay leaves. Now saute it well until the onions get a little bit brownish. Add like 2 to 3 cardamom. And now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix this everything well until the ginger garlic paste gets cooked, or else it's gonna taste raw ginger garlic paste. So now we're gonna add like 3 tomatoes which we have roughly chopped. And once we add this, we're gonna mix it well. So now we're gonna add half a tablespoon of turmeric. Now add like 50 grams of cashews. Cashews actually give that pretty good taste to this dish, so definitely add the cashews and mix it well. And now we're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder, or it's up to your spice levels. Now add like 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yeah, definitely add sugar because it gives that sweetness to the dish. And a half tablespoon of Garam Masala. Now mix this well, and we're gonna add now 1 cup of water, and then we're gonna leave this to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat or a low flame until all the tomatoes get cooked well. Once the tomatoes get cooked well, we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna grate this. Now grate this mixture, and one fun fact about this dish is that we cook everything using one single pan. You don't need to use multiple pans. So now I'm just filtering out the grated masala to get rid of all the seeds from the tomatoes, from the bay leaves, and from the cardamom parts. See, all this is being removed. Another fun fact about this dish is that it is one of the smoothest and buttery dish, so make sure that everything is properly filtered out. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, which is the main ingredient, and 1 tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of chili powder, which is optional. You can add if you want more spiciness. And we're gonna add half a tablespoon of garam masala, and now mix it well for like 2 minutes on a low heat until the butter and the rest of ingredients gets mixed. Time to add our fried paneer, or you can add just the paneer as well. So I have fried it in my first step. I love like fried paneer, so it's up to you. Like you can add regular paneer too without frying it as well. So now we're gonna add like 1 tablespoon of crushed Kasuri Methi or dried Fenugreek leaves. Now mix this all together like for 2 minutes on a low heat again. Now it's time to add the heavy cream before we turn off the heat. So I'm adding like 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. This is also an optional, like if you have it only then add. So now mix it well for another 1 minute, and now we're gonna move this to the serving bowl and we are all set. And you can see the utterly butterly yummy paneer butter masala is ready. So I'm moving this to another serving bowl. So you can see how rich, smooth and butterly this dish is. You're gonna definitely love this dish. Another fact about this dish is like you can cook this yummy dish for less than $10 for your family. And yeah, now we're gonna add some more fenugreek leaves and we're gonna add some more heavy cream before it's ready to serve. So that's it, like this is how the utterly butterly paneer butter masala is being cooked. So you can cook this in very simple steps using my mom's recipe. So do cook this utterly butterly delicious paneer butter masala for your moms and for your family, and do let us know in the comment section below how did the dish come through. And yeah, that's it for today. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We need a lot of support. And yeah, also do not forget to follow us on Instagram on this account. So that's it for today, and as always, love your moms, and as always, moms are the best, and meet you with another recipe. Bye.